The lesser dog-faced fruit bat, a native of South Asia, is a small bat with superior flying skills. Scientists at Brown University hold it in high regard. They want to learn its secrets, how it stays aloft, how it manoeuvres at high speed, how it manipulates its flexible wing frame. By using a wind tunnel to record the bats in flight, engineering professor Kenny Brewer and his colleagues say they now have some answers.
What we've discovered is a series of vortex structures, of air structures that the bat generates while it flaps, and describing how those fit together to create the lift that the bats use to fly.
By learning how bats fly, Brewer and his team believe they'll be able to help engineers create the next generation of aircraft, designed to fly like a bat.
I think what we'd like to do is to take something from the nature, from the animal kingdom, and adapt it into engineered vehicles and emulate how bats fly, to make micro-air vehicles that can fly with great agility and maneuverability, to be able to do things like fly through forests or caves, to do rescue missions, reconnaissance missions, things like that.
The development of the helicopter is as close as engineers have come to creating a mass-produced aircraft with true aerodynamic versatility. It can hover, take off and land vertically. It can change direction with relative ease in mid-air, but it cannot emulate a bat. For the military, Professor Brewer's research has great potential, which is why the US Defense Department is providing much of the funding.
I think it will just be a few years before we see preliminary designs that are being built. Of course, it will be much longer before we see anything that's really sophisticated being built, just because there are so many technical hurdles.
The Brown University team has begun creating mechanical computer prototypes based on what they now know about bat flight. But Brewer admits that his team, and their lesser dog-faced fruit bats, have a great deal more work ahead of them. Rob Muir, Reuters.